Hey, so I've been using these products lately. Ignore this pimple on my left cheek. Whenever Mother Nature's about to hit, I get a pimple here, here, and here, okay? Anyway, I want to discuss about the products that I'm about to use because these are products that I honestly feel like will help people that need help with their skin or that want to help their skin. Product number one is the lemon soap bar. The lemon soap bar is used to correct and help with dark spots. If any of you guys have dark spots or have issues. Baby Beauty has like a dark spot cleaner and this is it. I don't know about you guys, but I went through a phase and I'm still kind of having a little bit of dark spots on my skin and my face. This is what it looks like. The company gives you a reasonable good size of the lemon bar soap. So I'm about to wash my face with this and let's see how it goes. So I don't know about you guys, but I like lathering the product on my face. As you can see, it has a cleaner feel, so it gives you that cleaner look. So what I do next is that I pat dry my skin with a face towel because it's really important to just pat and not rub. What I use next is their face oil. It's hydrochloric acid, and we all know our face and our skin needs that. So that is something that I do use next on my. So I rub it in. It's so weird. Once I do that, the company suggests that you follow with your own moisturizer. I do believe that they're going to come out with a moisturizer soon with their products, but what kind of person would I be if I didn't show you other products that I also have from this company? I have a cleaner oil. The thing I like about this oil is that I actually like how it smells. It has castor oil in it, rosehip oil in it, and it also has sweet almond oil in it and buckthorn berry oil. I am someone who puts this oil on my face and also on my neck because whatever I do to my face, I do to my neck because your neck also ages and your neck also needs it as well. Another thing that the company offers, they do offer a light cream that actually helps with correcting dark spots and high pigmentation and other things you have on your skin. As well. So if you have dark spots, if you have discoloration underneath your armpits, or you have high pigmentation, you can use this cream to correct that. So they also offer a carrot soap as well. I know a lot of different cultures like using carrot soap because of the benefits it offers, and this also helps. What I do is I use the carrot soap for my discoloration underneath my armpits, and I also use it for the discoloration I have here and also on my knees because, yeah. After all, these are common areas where we do get discoloration as well, and there's common areas where we look at the discoloration and we honestly just want to correct it. Also, the company also offers a lip balm that's made with castor oil, almond oil, kind of a lot of oils, okay? These are oils your lips, your skin, your whole body tends to crave, so just hit it up. Anyways, thanks for watching this video of me actually talking about this company. I actually really do use these products and I like these products that I get from this company. This company is also woman-owned and was founded by a woman and created by a woman, so I think it's cool. And don't worry, I'll put a link so you guys can check it out, okay? I got you.